Your doors do more than just welcome guests. They protect your home, keep your family comfortable, and add style to your space. But like everything in your house, doors don't last forever. If you live in Fayetteville, you might notice certain problems with your doors that signal it's time for a replacement. Let's break down the top signs you shouldn't ignore. Drafts and higher energy bills. If you feel a chilly draft coming through your door even when it's shut, it means your door is no longer sealing properly. Over time, weather stripping and door frames can warp, allowing outside air to come in. This forces your heating and cooling system to work harder, raising your energy bills. In Fayetteville's hot summers and chilly winters, an energy-efficient new door can make a huge difference in comfort and cost savings. Difficulty opening or closing. Is your door stick, scrape the floor, or refuse to close fully? Changes in humidity, aging hinges, and shifting house foundations can cause doors to become misaligned. If adjusting the hinges or sanding down the door doesn't help, it may be time to replace it altogether. A properly installed new door will open and close smoothly, keeping your home secure and easy to access. Visible damage or rot doors take a lot of abuse over the years, from harsh weather to everyday use. If you see cracks, warping, soft spots, or water damage, activating your door structure is compromised. Wooden doors in particular can rot if exposed to moisture for too long. Besides looking unsightly, a damaged door can be a security risk. Replacing it restores not only the appearance of your entryway but also the protection it provides. Outdated look curb appeal matters, especially in beautiful neighborhoods around Fayetteville. If your door is faded, dented, or just plain outdated, it can drag down the appearance of your entire home. A new, stylish door in a fresh color or with decorative glass panels can instantly modernize your entry and make a great first impression on guests or potential buyers. Noise issues. Old doors often let in far too much outdoor noise. If you hear every car driving by or every dog barking in the neighborhood, your door might lack proper insulation. Modern replacement doors feature better soundproofing, creating a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Security concerns. Your door is the first line of defense against intruders. If the lock area is damaged, or if the material itself feels weak, you're taking a risk by keeping it. Upgrading to a solid, secure replacement door with modern locking systems can help you rest easier at night. Moisture between glass pane. If you have a door with glass inserts and notice moisture or fog between the panes, the seal is broken. This means the door's insulating properties are compromised. It also looks unattractive and can lead to mold or mildew. Replacing the door ensures you get proper insulation and a clear view again. A smart investment for Fayetteville homeowner. Fayetteville's weather can be tough on doors. Heavy rains, humidity, and sun exposure all take a toll. If you've spotted any of these issues, replacing your door can bring you big benefits. You'll get better energy efficiency, a more comfortable home, a fresh new look, and added security. When you're ready to replace your old door, be sure to work with a trusted local contractor who knows Fayetteville homes and can help you choose the best materials for your needs. A new door is more than just an upgrade, it's an investment in your home's safety, beauty, and value.